Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear friends, today in this lecture we will learn how to perform target profit analysis of multi products. As dear friends, sale price per unit is given to us and variable cost is also given. Percentage of sale mix is also given for each product and fixed cost is 6 lakh which is given to us. It is clear that the company wants to achieve a target profit 4 lakh 50,000. By using these information we will perform the target profit analysis, find that how much units is required for achieving this profit and how much value of sale is required for achieving this target profit. So, dear friends, just we follow only 5 steps and can easily calculate both these values. Dear friends, in step number 1, we calculate contribution margin for each product. It is very easy. First, we mention sale price of each product. 95, 45 and 90, and a variable cost of each product 55, 35 and 60. And after that we take difference between both these values and calculate the contribution margin per unit for each product. For first product is 40, for second is 10, and for third is 30. In the next step we calculate weighted average contribution margin for each product. It is very easy, dear friends, as we calculated contribution margin per unit in step 1. First we mention here for first product is 40 which we have calculated contribution margin per unit, and for the second product is 10, and for third product is 30. And just dear friends, as sale mix percentage is given to us for each product, just we take this percentage of contribution margin per unit which we have calculated for each product and find the weighted average contribution margin for each product. As for first product is 16, for second is 2, and for third product is 12. Next, dear friends, we add up all these three values and calculate the weighted average contribution margin is 30 per unit. Okay. Dear friends, in step number 3, we calculate total number of units at target profit. So it is very easy. The formula is that fixed cost plus target profit divided by weighted average contribution margin. Dear friends, fixed cost is also given to us as 6 lakh, so we will mention here, and target profit is also given to us 4 lakh 50,000. We will mention here, and divided by weighted average contribution which we have calculated in the step 2 is 30, so we will divide these values by 30. In the next step, dear friends, we calculate the total number of units at target profit is 35,000. Okay. In step number 4, dear friends, we calculate a number of units of each product at target profit. In the step 3, we calculate total number of units at target profit, and in the next step we calculate how much number of units of each products contribute in total number of units at target profit. First of all, dear friends, we will mention total number of units at target profit 35,000, and a sale mix percentage is also given to us for each product. For first product is 40%, for second product is 20%, and for third product is 40%. So we will mention here. Next, dear friend, just we take percentage of total amount and calculate the number of units of each product. For first product, we calculate 14,000. For second product, we calculate 7,000. And for third product, we calculate the 14,000 number of units at target profit. Dear friends, in the next and final step, we calculate sale value of each product at target profit. As dear friends, we have calculated total number of units at target profit of each product we will mention here, and sale price is also given to us for each product. For first product is 95, for second is 45, and for third is 90, so we will mention here. Next, dear friends, we will multiply both these values, quantity with price, and calculate total sale value of each product. For first product, sale value is 13 lakh 30,000, for second is 3 lakh 15,000, and for third is 12 lakh 60,000. Okay. Next, dear friends, we add up all these three values and calculate total sale value at target profit is 29 lakh 5,000. Dear friends, if you want to check this value is correct or wrong, so you can easily check this value. As dear friends, we have calculated total sale value at target profit is 29 lakh 5,000. So we will mention here. And dear friends, we also calculated total number of units at this profit level of each product in the step number 4. So first of all, we will mention here, and the variable cost of each product is also given to us. So we will multiply both these values and calculate total variable cost for each product. We add up all these three products variable cost and calculate calculate total variable cost is 18 lakh 55,000. We deduct this value from total sale value and find the gross profit 10 lakh 50,000. As dear friends, the other fixed cost is also given to us 6 lakh, so we also deduct these fixed cost from the gross profit and find total net profit is 4 lakh 50,000. Dear friends, it means our calculation is correct because company is achieving their expected profit on this sale value. Dear friends, if you have any questions regarding this lecture, so you can ask us through the comment section. Dear friends, lastly, I am requested to all of you, please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates and informative videos. So thank you. Allah Hafiz.